Welcome back to another video. How y'all doing? Hope y'all doing good, man. We back with another video. It's been a minute, I know, but we got a simple install today, and I saw this product and I said, why not try it out? It's from PRL. I don't want to go too crazy on the SI, so they say this, it don't need no calibration, it don't need no tuning or none of that. So I'm gonna go ahead, but it says it increases horsepower, better response, and all that. So we gonna find out today. So I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro in the head, and y'all gonna see what I'm doing. Let's go. Now this should be a fairly easy install. 2 bolts right here. So they gave me all the hardware I needed. What is going on now? Oh, there we go. One right here. Plug my sensor out so I don't forget. Right. Got these bolts. My first time taking this box off, so I don't know. I never checked it before. Never needed to. Out with the old, in with the new. Alright. It's kind of tight. Kinda tight. Alright. I like this already. I like how precise they are with this. Alright, that's on. The box right back on. Filter is not that bad. Nice. So I had a little trouble with putting this in it. I did not want to be seated properly, so I did it though. Back to it. But I'm gonna cut the video right here, and when we're done, I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. Alright, so the install is done. PRL, baby. Excuse these ashy hands, I've been working, don't judge me.
Oh, damn.
Connection back. Filters in there. In properly. Need a screw for this to hold this down properly though. Alright, let's go take it for a test drive. See you in the car. Alright, so I'm gonna test this thing out right now. Let's go take it on the highway real quick. They said it's supposed to give you a better response. I don't know. I don't know, PRL does it? I don't know. We gonna cruise to the highway and then we gonna hit it and see what's going on. Feels a bit the same to me, but said it's supposed to get better flow and all that. So we gonna see. See you on the highway. Cause I don't feel no difference right now, but see you on the highway. What is this in front of me, yo?
Hey, yo!
Come on! I gotta go test that PRL part. What is this? Oh my gosh. If y'all know what this is, let me know in the comment section. Alright, I'm about to hit that highway. Oh, why?
Why are you there?
What is it with these trucks today? Oh my gosh! Oh man, I wanted to enter the highway on full power. Let's go. Oh! Oh no! It does! Oh my gosh! They weren't lying. They were not lying. This does give me better response for that simple install. Not getting that in. I think I need to upgrade my intercooler though. But wow, it felt good. I can't lie, it felt good. Well done, PRL, well done. I think I even heard a little bit more turbo spool too. Am I tripping? No, I do. I actually hear the turbo spools. I've never heard the turbo spool with that stock pipe or whatever they call it. I have never heard it. I actually heard it just now. Okay. I do. I hear that spool. What? Yes, sir. Yes, it's approved. They did not lie. It's approved. It's approved. It is approved. I heard that spool way better. That sounds so good. That's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. I mean, it is what it is. I'm gonna see if I can get more videos out. It's the summer right now. I'm gonna see. I say that all the time, but man. But I got something lined up. I got something lined up. Probably tomorrow, we gonna set it off. We out. Ah!